What's up guys, it's Koi from Gentleman Within, a channel dedicated to helping men dress better and feel their best. And in this video, we're going to take a look at some awesome fall jackets, top 10 fall jackets that are going to keep you looking stylish this fall. And we're starting things off with number one, the denim jacket. And so if there's going to be one denim jacket to have, I'd say it's going to be like a darker wash denim jacket. So like this one right here is from J. Crew, got the classic fit, and it's the classic trucker jacket aesthetic, like similar to Levi's. What's great about the denim jacket is that it's a little bit lighter. It's a nice jacket for spring as well, for when it's nice and temperate, not too cold and not hot. And so it's a nice middle ground jacket to wear. It's a great jacket because it's a great layering piece. You can layer it underneath a coat, or you can layer it over top a shirt. It could be a middle layer, it could be a top layer. And so denim jackets are stylish, they look great, and they've long been a part of Americana. And so, you know, you can't go wrong with the classic denim jackets. Number two, another trusty fall jacket, and you know, a big part of Americana is the Harrington jacket, or you know, otherwise known as a blouson, popularized by the Barracuda G9 jacket. But the Harrington, you know, is distinguished by that funnel neck collar there, and the inside, the tartan plaid lining. And so those are classic attributes of a Harrington. And so colors like navy, olive, tan are great colors for the Harrington jacket. Nice neutrals that are just gonna go with everything. It's best to be worn a little bit more fitted, and you're gonna just look great. And it's a little bit different of a jacket compared to other jackets. You're not gonna see a ton of guys rocking Harrington jackets, and so definitely one of those jackets that you wanna include in your fall collection. And it's also a jacket that comes in many different price points, from super cheap, like this ASOS one, up to 100, 200, 300 plus dollars. But again, when you pay a little bit more, you're paying for quality, and so, you know, keep that in mind. Essential number three is a leather jacket. And so leather jackets you can never go wrong with. Again, it's something that is a bit more of an investment piece. I recommend to purchase real genuine leather. However, if you're just experimenting, you don't know your style yet, then it's okay. You know, go to H&M, ASOS, pick up a fake leather jacket for 30, 40 bucks and you'll be okay. But if you want to invest in a high quality piece, then just go with the legit real leather jacket. And so jacket like this, again, is just a nice casual style staple. There's a reason why style icons like Steve McQueen, James Dean, all them dudes back in the day were rocking leather jackets, because it's just badass, and it's a sartorial piece that's just gonna elevate all of your fall looks. So the leather jacket, if you don't have it in your collection, definitely one worth picking up. Jacket number trace is the bomber jacket. And so you can go either with the cotton bomber right here. This one's like the classic MA1 style, sans the zipper on the sleeve. But this is clean, minimalist bomber right here. Again, a bomber jacket, just like the other jackets prior, are nice and elevated. They can elevate your looks. You can rock it with a roll neck. You can wear it over top of a white button-up shirt with chinos. It's another classic piece that's been around since like the mid-1900s. And so it's got a history, but again, it's a classic, timeless look that was originally made for the military, but now, you know, it's clearly a style staple that many dudes are rocking. And then this one seems to be trending heavily this season is the Suede bomber. This one in this nice tan camel color here. The Suede bomber just adds a little touch of luxury, because anytime there's suede, it just looks and feels luxurious to the touch, and it's nice and warm too. So this one is a lot thicker than the other jacket, so when it's a little bit cooler, bust this one out. Again, really stylish. You can wear it with slim dark wash jeans and, you know, a gray sweatshirt, and you know, you're gonna be styling. Bomber jackets are great. If you don't have the bomber jacket, you're gonna love it. Fall jacket number six, we're jumping in. Again, sticking kind of with the bomber jackets here, and this one is instead a quilted bomber made of this nylon. So this one right here is gonna be super affordable. This one I got from H&M in the olive colorway. So with navy, tan, you know, grays, olive is another color that's great for fall. It's gonna pair really well with lots of different outfits that you put together. Jacket like this, you're gonna want it to be well fitting, hug the body. This one looks great casually, and so you can wear it with a t-shirt, rock it with the Henley underneath. And yeah, I like it. It's got some zippers here, and it's thinner, so you know, it's not, you're not going to wear it when it's too cool out, but when it starts getting a little bit cooler, throw on this nice quilted bomber jacket. Fall jacket number 7, we've got, what is this? The tweed blazer, tweed jacket. And so you want to give off a little bit of those professorial vibes, throw on the tweed. And so this is not Harris tweed, but tweed is a fabric that's going to transition you from fall all the way into winter. And so jacket like this is super thick, and usually tweed is going to be really durable as well. This one, I believe got it from H&M quite a while ago, but it's got the little elbow patches here. Tweed is distinguished by, you know, the really rough fabric, and it's pretty ubiquitous. So you're definitely going to know when you're dealing with the tweed fabric. And so you're going to add a little bit of sartorial punch to your outfits with the tweed jacket. Fall jacket number 8 is the down jacket or puffer jacket. And so this again is another jacket that's going to transition you from fall all the way into winter time. And it's a jacket that's super insulating, so you know you can wear it just with like a basic t-shirt underneath and you'll be kept pretty warm because it's going to do a good job of insulating. This down jacket is on the, you know, I'd say like a middle weight. It's not super thick, but it's not thin either, so it makes it a great fall piece. And it's in a versatile kind of like navy blue on the outside. Inside's got a little bit more of a pop. And so this down jacket is going to look good. You can take it to the slopes, rock it casually. The jacket is clean, it's well fitting. You know, all these jackets are pretty much going to fit you really well. You don't want to get like super oversized jackets here. Down jacket's not going to be the most stylish piece, but again, for functionality, can't be beat. Fall jacket number 9, we've got the fleece. You know, the performance fleece. And so this one right here is in like a two-tone orange and navy color, but you know, you can just go with it all solid if you want, if you don't want to, you know, scream too loudly. But I like to wear this when I'm like going hiking or something because it's a nice bright color that is going to attract attention if I'm in danger or whatever. A jacket like this is a great layering piece. I would probably rock it with a vest underneath, and then this will be on top, and then if I need another layer I can throw something over top of this. The fleece is a classic piece. It's going to keep you warm. This one right here is also stylish, you know, it fits well. It's a nice soft fabric that's just going to keep you warm and, you know, keep things really dialed down and casual. And finally, let's wrap things up with number 10, fall jacket. Not really a jacket, but we've got the casual hoodie. And so you can go with a zip hoodie here, like the one I'm wearing right here, or you can go, you know, with just the pockets in the front and no zip. But this one right here is from Everlane's uniform collection. And so they've got all the neutral colors. This one is green, they got blue, they've got gray, you know, classic colors. And so the hoodie is the ultimate for if you're going to keep things super casual and, you know, you're at college, you're a student, hoodies are always going to be part of your rotation. So I'm wrapping things up with the classic hoodie. All of these pieces are pretty much classic pieces, great for fall time. All right, that's all I got for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. I put out new videos like this weekly. That's all I got for this video. Cheers to your style, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.